Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio up here, and this is my second job for Brent in Huntington Beach, California. I'm not sure what this is out of. I might be able to tell by the model number. Let me just see here. It's a 1978 something. It's an 80 BFMT1, whatever that goes into, but I know that's a 1978 radio. Customers requested the modern internal conversion. The radio's already got FM, so it's a modern internal conversion to increase the output power quite a bit, and he's also requested the Bluetooth feature. So let's go ahead and turn her on and make sure everything works. And I've got all the presets set to stations in my area, so we'll just run down those real quick.
Yeah, because if our name's on it,
just a quick test.
For a life. Kind of happened to me the other day.
Gotta keep the songs very short to avoid copyright nailings. Okay, switch to AM. We'll look for our strong station, which is right about here. There we are. There's our strong AM station.
The talk of the Quad City, KQ&A.
So we'll keep it on that because that's going to be mostly talk. No big deal. We're going to demonstrate the virtual balance and fader functions. We're going to activate the front rear fader by turning our tone control twice to the right. So I'm going to rotate to the center so I got room to turn to the right. Okay, virtual front rear fader.
Live appearance on Talk of the Town with Chuck Roberts last
Thursday. Try it again.
Board of Supervisors Chairman Craig Brown explained when considering
it could take a couple tries.
Officials had to take into consideration staff has been face to face with the public.
One staff gets sick, they affect 10 others, and they have to stay home.
Fader there we go. So now the same control, the tone control, is adjusting our left, right, our front rear speaker balance. So I'm going to center the speakers. I'm going to stop adjusting it, and its fader is set. And you can return the tone control to how you like it to sound. Okay, now I'm going to adjust the left-right balance control. Same procedure, except we turn the tone control twice to the left to activate it. So let's try that.
Balance adjust.
Okay, so now the same controls adjusting our left-right balance.
Guidelines that will be in place include cleaning of items that are frequently touched, measures to ensure physical
center
distancing,
everything.
and the wearing of face coverings. I'm Bill.
Balance set.
Balance set. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode. We do that by turning our volume control twice to the right.
Right here on KQ&A. Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, Bluetooth ready to pair. So the unit is now trying to pair with a portable audio device, and of course I don't do all that on the quick demo videos. I'm going to pop an 8-track in, make sure the 8-track works. Got some Neil Sedek here. We don't need these meters anymore. Turn our tone control up.
34 the low tonight.
I cried a tear so
You're going to switch tracks a bunch of times. Nice punchy sounding 8-track. Okay, just good time to check for crosstalk between songs. 0, of course, because I worked on it. Okay, long space, just go past that for a little bit. Okay, we're getting on. There we go. Had to get past that big blank space at the track change. Okay, this unit has a neat little eject button right here. Just press that in slightly, and it'll spit that tape out, and the radio comes back. And so we'll move back to
not completed.
Okay, pairing not completed. I may not have mentioned that she comes back on 90 seconds later saying pairing not completed. So just another quick little run through the FM band just for fun.
Hello, this is David Mackis.
Okay, you get the idea. Everything is working fine. So she's ready to go back to the customer, and I'm ready to probably take off for the day. It is about 5 o'clock, and Been a long day, so I'm ready to get out of here. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and well, there's not a whole lot to on a pair of computer speakers. You can't really tell the power increase, so not a whole lot that's apparently changed on this unit, but it does have a heck of a lot more output power. It'll have better lock-in reception on the FM range. 8-Track's nice and bright and punching out with that new amplifier, so she's ready to go. My website is in the description below. My phone number is 928-533-9666. Thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Brent, in Huntington Beach, California, for repeat business, and we'll see you guys next time.